Hey guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this industrial infrared thermometer for reviewing purposes, and I think that it's nice because it's a really versatile thermometer that you don't have to have any contact with what you're measuring, which I think that is nice. First thing we see is the user manual with all important information about it, which I think that's great. We get the main unit with a carrying case that comes with a place on where to place it upon your belt, which I think that it's nice. And this is the main unit. It's quite small, and I think that it's nice because that way you can take it with you wherever you need it. Okay, it seems really simple, and something that I like right away is that it has a nice handle. Okay, when you grip it, it fits really nice upon your hand. We got a probe thermometer that we can use it when we are cooking or any kind of situation when we need to have it upon what we're measuring. I think that it's really nice that comes included, and we get two AA batteries. Okay, and we're gonna place them in this part. We open it up and we have negative, positive. Okay, it goes like this and like this, and it turns on. It's not intended for human or animal use, but I'm gonna test it out. Okay, 32.4 degrees. Okay, something that is nice is that it records the max temperature, which registers upon your hand, okay, or what it's touching, and you can see the difference. Okay, on max temperature is the temperature that it recorded most high, and the normal temperature the last that it reviews. Okay, I think that it's nice because it's a backlit screen, and I think that it's really perfect. It tells us everything we need to know, and we get a laser pointer to know what we are aiming at, and we can turn it on and off. Okay, so I've made a cup of coffee just now, and it's still quite hot. Let's see the temperature. Okay, it's okay. The highest temperature was 16.9 degrees Celsius, and the last that it recorded was 66.1. Okay, so I'm gonna test it out with my fridge. Freezer is minus, and the normal refrigerator it's at 2 degrees. Okay, I'm gonna also check it out with my AC units. Okay, 30.1 degrees Celsius. And on this side, it's 12 point. Okay, 11.6 degrees Celsius. And something that I think that it's really nice is that you can change between Celsius, Fahrenheit. You can actually set a alarm that goes off when it reaches a certain max temperature that you want, or a certain lowest temperature that you want. That way you can set it up for any kind of situation that you needed, which I think that it's great. And to use the probe thermometer, just make sure that it's the correct side, positive, negative in this side. We turn it on, and we can see that it's with the probe thermometer. Okay, and I'm gonna just go ahead and place it in. Okay, and we can see that the probe thermometer recorded 73.1 degrees. Okay, if I take it out, it goes down. Okay, but if I place it in once again, it will be telling us the temperature, and I think that it's really nice. Overall, I think that it's great. It's actually really versatile. You get different adjustments from the temperature. If you want it on Celsius, Fahrenheit, you can set up different alarms if you need it. And I think that it's really nice. Different kind of uses in your kitchen, in your workspace, whatever you need it. I think it's really useful, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.